called onion ring. To play this game, we are standing here in two circles. One circle is inner side and the other is the outer side. Okay, when I will instruct you to start the game, you will ask the 5 questions which is written on the screen. And after asking 5 questions, I will instruct you to move one step right or one step left. Then only the outer circle will change your position. Yeah. Do you understand? Okay, so let's start.
Do you have a friend?
Yes.
What is his name? What class does he
What class?
One step right. One step right.
One step right.
Like what class does he read? What class does he read?
He pursuing the PhD.
Do you like him?
Yes, I like him.
Okay, one step right again. One step right.
My name is Joseph.
What class does he read?
Class 1.
Do you like her?
Yes.
One step right.
What her name?
Yes, I have a
Where
friend.
does she live?
Right now, he completed BA degree.
Do you like it?
Yes, I like him.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Let's end our game.
Sir, close করে দেবো